Tell me honestly, do you ever get stuck when someone asks you a question in English? You know the answer in your head, but you can't say it the way you want. This happens to many English learners not because they don't know English, but because they don't practice speaking the right way. That's exactly why I created this 8-day English shadowing challenge to help you speak more naturally and improve your pronunciation. This is day 5 of our 8-day shadowing challenge. If you're new here, I recommend starting from day 1, because each day builds on the previous one. In today's video, we'll practice 50 important daily questions and answers that you can actually use in real life. Each sentence is repeated twice, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along easily. Just listen carefully, copy the rhythm, and repeat exactly the way I say it. All right. Are you ready to shadow with me? Let's begin. Why are you laughing so much? Why are you laughing so much? I just remembered something funny. I just remembered something funny. What do you usually wear to work? What do you usually wear to work? I usually wear casual clothes. I usually wear casual clothes. Do you take a nap during the day? Do you take a nap during the day? Sometimes I take a short nap. Sometimes I take a short nap. Did you enjoy your lunch? Did you enjoy your lunch? Yes, it was better than I expected. Yes, it was better than I expected. What are you planning to do now? What are you planning to do now? I'll finish a few tasks first. I'll finish a few tasks first. Great job. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Let's continue. Are you okay with this decision? Are you okay with this decision? I am, after considering it carefully. I am, after considering it carefully. Did you get everything done today? Did you get everything done today? Not everything, but the most important stuff. Not everything, but the most important stuff. Why didn't you reply to my message? Why didn't you reply to my message? I didn't see it until just now. I didn't see it until just now. Do you usually make plans for holidays? Do you usually make plans for holidays? Yes, I plan a week in advance. Yes, I plan a week in advance. Can you speak English every day? Can you speak English every day? Yes, I try to practice every day. Yes, I try to practice every day. How often do you meet your friends? How often do you meet your friends? I meet them 2 or 3 times a week. I meet them 2 or 3 times a week. Do you like going to the park in the morning? Do you like going to the park in the morning? Yes, it helps me feel fresh. Yes, it helps me feel fresh. Can you help me carry this? Can you help me carry this? Sure, I'll carry it for you. Sure, I'll carry it for you. I am proud of you. Keep speaking out loud, it really helps. Do you like drinking coffee or tea in the afternoon? Do you like drinking coffee or tea in the afternoon? I prefer tea in the afternoon. I prefer tea in the afternoon. Where do you usually spend your free time? Where do you usually spend your free time? I usually stay at home or go to the park. I usually stay at home or go to the park. How often do you practice English? How often do you practice English? I try to practice every day. I try to practice every day. What do you do if you feel sad? What do you do if you feel sad? I talk to a friend or go for a walk. I talk to a friend or go for a walk. What do you do if you feel tired? What do you do if you feel tired? I take a short rest or drink some water. I take a short rest or drink some water. What kind of movies do you like? What kind of movies do you like? I like comedy movies because they make me laugh. I like comedy movies because they make me laugh. Where do you want to travel next? Where do you want to travel next? I want to visit Japan because it looks interesting. I want to visit Japan because it looks interesting. Can you tell me the way to the library? Can you tell me the way to the library? Yes. Go straight and turn left at the second street. Yes, go straight and turn left at the second street. Awesome! Repeat the last few sentences with me. Let's keep going. What time does the store open? What time does the store open? The store opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. The store opens at 9 o'clock in the morning. What's your favorite kind of pizza? What's your favorite kind of pizza? I like cheese and mushroom pizza. I like cheese and mushroom pizza. Do you prefer to live in the city or countryside? Do you prefer to live in the city or countryside? I prefer the city because there is more to do. I prefer the city because there is more to do. What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm outside. It's sunny and warm outside. Great job for finishing today's shadowing practice. If you repeated the sentences out loud, you're already making real progress. Remember, fluency doesn't come from memorizing rules. It comes from practicing natural English every day. If this video helped you, like the video so more learners can find it, and subscribe to Easy English Guide for daily speaking practice. Continue with the next day of the challenge, and make sure to repeat these sentences again later today. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next lesson.